Everybody open at page number 60. Ayman, Rahat, everybody. Acha, basically today we learn what are the basic difference between calculator and computer, and what are the similarities between them. Good afternoon, but everybody mute yourself. Everybody first mute yourself. Let me mute all of you first. Wait. Now I am going to share the screen. Look at this. All of you are able to see the screen? Yes? Shake your head if yes. Then shake your head. Rabiul Islam, sit properly, beta. Acha. Acha, do you know what are calculators? What do we do with calculator? Basically, calculator is also a device where it is single device, okay, where we can calculate anything easily. Suppose you are going to multiply 16 by 7. You have to use your brain to calculate this. Yes, to Fatia. But for if you use calculator, then no need to think. Just put the digits. Okay, and the result will automatically be there. Understood or no? So what will be its answer? Just use your brain and say 16 into 7. This one. But for this, to find out this, we have to apply our brain. We have to think. Yes, so for calculator, basically it can give the answer in a fraction of second. Okay. If you put, and it will be directly shown this one. Okay. Just like computer, if we want to find out a result, if we want to store anything, we can use computer. Just like computer, it can also calculate very fast. Okay. And that calculation must be accurate. Understood? Zubair beta, keep your camera on. Acha, this one is clear. Spandon, Farhan Akhtar, Athri and Ankush. Okay. Acha, now look at this. There are some similarity in between them. First, let me zoom this figure only. No need to note down this one. Just try to understand. This is calculator. This is computer. Acha, can you say how many parts are there in calculator? It is only one part, only calculator. But in computer, look, there is monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU. So many parts are there, na? Yes or no? Spandon? Yes? Acha. So that means it is only single device. It has many parts, right? Acha, one more thing, it is the difference. We can say, acha, here in computer, is there any screen? Screen? Yes, this monitor screen. Yes, to. Atre? Okay. Acha, in calculator also, is there any screen? Just check. Yes, you are shaking your. Acha, this one is screen. This one. No, acha, then this one. Exactly. Good. So that means if we are putting any number, we are adding, we are calculating, the result will be shown in the screen. Yes, to. Orko Priya? Okay. Acha. Now look at this. So, acha, in computer, is there any keyboard? Acha, in calculator, is there any keyboard? Yes or no? Yes, exactly. This one is the keyboard. And this keyboard is, look, in computer keyboard, There are numeric keyboard 1, 2, 3, 4, alphabetic A, B, C, D. Yes or no? Yes or no? Shake your head. Acha. But in calculator, look, only numeric keyboards are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in this way, and the symbols also are there. Plus, minus, into, division, okay? The symbols key also are there. But here in computer, alphabetic key, extra, function keys, special keys. Yes, though? Jinia, Srijita, Almasuddin, are you getting my points? Shake your head. Okay, good. Good. Acha. So, some similarities are there and some differences are there. Now, everybody open your book. Open at page number 60. Now, mark this one. First, mark this one, the similarities. We will find out the similarities between calculator and a computer. What are they? They are, both of them have screen. Both have screen. Both have keys also. Yes. Both of them process data. Yes. Otherwise, it cannot show you the result. When you are putting anything to find the answer, there is a way. So both of them process data. Both run on electricity. Both of them work very fast. Yes. Both of them work tirelessly. That means what? That means, suppose you are using it for a whole day. If electricity supply is there properly, then computer, it will never stop now. So if you work for a whole day, you are playing games, then it will stop? No, no. The same thing, okay? If you use calculator, then for the whole day, okay, in the next day continuously, it can give you result, okay? But yes, as these are electronic devices, so there may be a chance of getting defected, okay, of getting, maybe it is not working properly, then you have to make it, give it to shop for repair, okay? Acha, now all of you marked up to 6, all the student, Orkopriya, Srijita, Jinia, Almasuddin marked. Now 7th point also, both of them make no mistake, okay? It gives exactly the correct answer, okay? Acha, now calculator. Up to this, all of you done though? Yes or no? Okay, then I am moving for the next one. Just let me check all the students done or not. Afroz, Shadik Farhan, Samriddho, Ritosri, Orindam, Samraj, acha. Ifra and Aryan Ahmed, keep your camera on. Ifra and Aryan Ahmed, keep your camera on. Atreyi, हाँ beta, I'll check the book later, huh? First mark it. Okay, now look at this. Achha, now we have got the similarities. Now the differences. For the differences, what to do? Look at this. First, we will find out, we will read the features individually. Look, here is calculator. Here is computer. Huh? First point, point number 1. For calculator, it is given a calculator is a single piece device. Yes, single. So note down this one, Genia, note down this. But in case of computer, it has many parts. Just now I told you. Now, second point. Calculators have a keyboard with numbers and mathematical symbols. Only numbers and mathematical symbols. But in case of computer, it has symbols, numbers, as well as alphabet, function keys, special keys, Yes. Yes to. Okay. Now the next one. Third point, look. Calculator can process only numeric information. Yes. Because it has only numeric keys, we can only calculate numerically, numeric things. Na? But computer can process numeric information as well as non-numeric information. Acha, just now I told you, calculator cannot store data. Though in the higher class you will get, there is scientific calculator where a little bit information, calculation we can store. Huh? But no need to learn about that. Now just look, for this type of thing, usually calculator cannot store information and instruction. But in case of computer, large capacity to store information and instruction. You have already learned about this in previous chapter, that computer can store information, data, instruction. Okay, now the next point. Most calculators work with battery or cells. Basically, all computer work on electricity. Acha, also computer has a battery system na? I told you external power supply system na? What is the name of this? Athray? CPU or UPS? Almashuddin Jinia, UPS. CPU. Athray, which one? Ankush? UPS, okay. I told you na, when the electricity, suppose the electricity is off, huh? There is load shedding, then at least for more, 10 or 15 minutes we can use the computer with the help of that that is external power supply na? Okay, can you remember? Forget all the things na? Huh? সব ভুলে গুলে খেয়ে নিয়েছিস না? Forgot. Wait, I am coming. And giving you punishment. Acha, now look at this. All computer, acha, in calculator, can you draw pictures? No. In computer, can you draw pictures? Yes, the whole day to you are doing this, na? Only 3 hours online class. After that, only drawing pictures, painting. Yes, though. Jinia, you are shaking your head. Yes, acha. Acha, now look at this. The next one, a calculator has a small screen. Yes, it has very small screen. But in case of computer, it has a large screen. Okay. Look. Acha, now to done. Look. 7 points done na? Here also 7 points done. Look, in computer, there are extra 3 features, 3 points. So mark that one also, huh? Almashuddin, I can see each and everything, huh? Okay, now what are that 3 extra points? Look, just mark it. A computer can provide information to the user. Yes, already you have learned about this. It can provide information to the user, to us. It shows information on the monitor screen. Yes. Achha, now the next point. Computer can perform repetitive work and calculation rapidly and accuracy. That means a thing or a work, it can be done in a repeated mode. Okay. There we can use it for repetition, and also the calculations It can calculate rapidly and accurately. Accurately means without any mistake. Exactly correct answer, correct thing is it shows. Okay, correct answer. Rapidly means very fast, very quickly. Okay, Almashuddin, I'll remove you from my class if you are making disturbance during the class. Just I'll remove you from my class, okay? Acha. Up to this, Shamraj, Shamriddho, Orindam, Ifra, done to up to this? Acha, computer can make decision based on different conditions. Mark up to this. Now there are some key points. Key notes are there. Look. Look here. Key notes are there. Glossaries. Mark this. A calculator is a single piece device. A computer has many parts. Yes, calculator cannot store information and instruction. Yes, computer can process numeric information instruction. Acha, here in point in bullet 4, look, computer can store can process information, numeric information instruction. Yes, as well as non-numeric also, huh? Non-numeric as well. Acha, no need to write this one, just I'm telling it. Acha, now the next point. A computer has a large capacity to store information and instruction. Yes. I told you about hard disks, RAM, ROM, na? In the previous chapter you have learned. So, it has a large capacity to store information and instruction. First, mark this one. Shadiq, Aryan Ahmed, Rito Sridhan. Completed. Atrei, Alia Yasmin and Shogato Manna done. Alia and Shogato, keep your camera on. Jinia Akhtar, Almashuddin, Afroz Ali. Spondon Pal, Ankush, Jennifer, Farhan Akhtar. Acha, Zubair, if you don't turn on your camera, then I will have to remove you from my class. Otherwise, I will not give you attendance. Zubair. Rahat completed. Acha, okay. Acha, exercise question answer I will not solve today because on Thursday you have computer class now. Tomorrow is mathematics class. Okay, on Thursday again computer. On Thursday I'll complete the exercise question answers. Now let me first check your book, then I will ask you some questions verbally. Okay. First, let me check your book. The name I am calling, show me your book. Fatia Sultana, Orkopriya, Ayman Karan. Ayman Karan, where are you? Okay, then I am removing you from my class. Ayman Karan. Yes. Show me your book fast, Ayman.
Yes,
Tell me.
ma'am.
Ayman, only Ayman. Achha, okay, you keep quiet. Only Ayman, you will have to say the answer. Calculator is a single device. Who is talking? Mute yourself. Ayman Karan, say computer is a single piece device. It is true or false?
False, ma'am.
False,
False, ma'am.
Who told me true? Who told me true? Look at the question. Computer is a single piece device. Computer.
I'm false.
False. Exactly. If in place of computer I am giving you calculator, then it will be true or false?
True.
True,
ma'am.
exactly.
True. 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 I not
True, okay,
the
computer.
true.
Acha, it will be O, huh?
Computer.
Acha, now look. Acha, now I am giving you the next one. Acha, let me cover this one. Acha, okay, now look. I'm covering this one, okay. For calculator, keep quiet. This one L, huh? For calculators, we use dash or cells. What will be the answer? Very good. Battery, good. Acha. Now, first page you have written, you have learned the first page?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
just wait for a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yeah.
calculator. This one O, huh? O, huh? Calculators make, may make, huh? May make mistakes.
Calculator may make mistakes.
True or false?
False.
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 Suppose in place of calculator we are giving computer may make mistake.
Calculators may make no mistakes.
Exactly. It is false. Good. Acha, in place of calculator, suppose I am giving computer may make mistake. Then it will be true or false?
False.
It will then also, exactly. Then also it will be
No mistakes.
exactly. For computer also it is false. For calculator also it is false. Good. Acha, okay. So this type of question may. Ifra, where are you going? Beta, if you want to go for washroom, for drinking water, for whatever, you will have to take permission, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Acha, now let me check your book one by one.